I'm Town and I'm very thankful to be on this podcast. Today I'll be asking a few questions that I found and or I have. So let's move on to Adarsh, Tech World.
Yeah, this is Adarsh Tekwal and I'm Adarsh. Welcome to AD Podcast. So, here I have Tarun, my friend, with me. So, he's gonna ask me some tech questions. Probably I'm going to answer it. So, let's begin the podcast. In 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. So, ask the first question.
Okay, now that we've introduced ourselves, let's move on to our question. So for the first question that I have is, pretend I'm not a tech person. Can you explain technology in a few words?
Um, Technology is like a. Okay, that's a tough question. Technology has a lot of complex layers. So it's gonna be tough, but
Yeah,
I'm gonna figure it out. Of course. I'm other Sekol. Yeah. So technology can be said like this. Technology is something new that has appeared in our world, created by us or in the nature also. Nature also has technology, like the plants growing is a technology, and photosynthesis also. That's old technology. We have the new technology like mobiles. That yeah, we have two categories in that. In few words, I can say technology is whatever that is a whatever that helps us to do something. It's like a resource.
true.
Yeah, it was a tough one. Yeah, I bet it's tough. Come on.
Shall we move on to the second question?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'm cool.
For the second question, which is my personal question, is how can we all keep up to date with our technology skills?
One way to keep up to date is to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's a bad joke. Okay, one the only one way how to get not the only one way. There are many ways. You can read articles, which is a bit boring for some people. They want to know it very quickly. You can watch some other YouTubers advice like uh, technology is mostly technology is developed by us. So whatever we want,
Yes.
you can search for it. Like YouTube as a technology, and you can search some technological videos in that. Uh, to improve your technology skill, you can just uh, to know the precautions. You can read an article if you want, but it's a bit underwhelming. You can there's one good YouTube channel, I think is yeah, Technical Guruji, our highest grossing Indian YouTuber. He does a lot of technological news, so his channel is worth following. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm saying it again because I have very less. Please support me, man. Okay, okay, that's how you update in your technology skill. Uh,
Moving on to a third question, which is, should anyone be aware of using public Wi Fi?
Public Wi-Fi, yeah, everyone should be aware of it because it's a public Wi-Fi. That means it doesn't matter whichever criminal it may be, whichever good man it may be, anyone can access it because public has many people in it. Anyone can come to a cafe and then go in free Wi-Fi and then hack someone's data, but it's not free Wi-Fi. It takes your money instead of we paying our money. Yeah, it takes our money in illegal way. This one takes in legal way. So free Wi-Fi, I'm not saying never use it. I'm just saying that you should be beware of it. Uh, Saying in a kind of way that if you have a VPN, you can enable a VPN, can turn on a VPN. It's called a virtual private network. It actually blocks everything. It blocks your IP address. The IP address is the um, most valuable thing that you have in internet. Everyone has different IP addresses. So having a VPN is good. Have a VPN, then you can browse free Wi-Fi safely. Let's move on to the next question. It's taking out my breath, man.
That's completely a good point, that we should be aware of using public Wi-Fi because we might not know what is lurking inside of it. Now, for our last question for today, what do different malware programs, aka viruses, trojans, do to your computer?
It depends upon the malware. There are very broad amount of viruses present. Like if you release, like you have the coronavirus that's appearing now. It came out of nowhere. Like that, computer also has like that. But we often notice computer more than our own life. Don't you think? Like we install antivirus in our computer to do this, but in our real world we cannot do that because we don't have antivirus. You have to do all the steps, like a Windows Defender or something. Yeah, that's what we have, a lot of choices. So many types of Trojan actually takes your data most often. So don't store your data in particular device, in one particular device. If you are storing it in one particular device, please encrypt it first. Don't use decrypted data. If you are a huge businessman and have like a really huge big business house and you have two phones and one phone, you are having everything that depends, then if that one phone is gone, everything is gone. Your whole data is gone. So don't store everything in one device because they can hack one device faster than the thousands of devices that you have. Store it in a divided way or else just encrypt your own phone for protecting against these things. Yeah. Oh my god.
That's a really good point. And what others tried to say there also was, never keep all of your important files in just one device. Always keep separate devices for separate types of information because you'll never know if there's a virus or anything harmful on your computer or device.
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah. No, you cannot depend on one person for your whole life, they say. You cannot depend on your mother when you are marrying someone. It's like that. It's mostly like that. Yeah.
I don't know about that, but definitely these were very good points. I hope you learned something new today. And if you have any questions, please feel free to type them in the comment section. Me and Adarsh might see them and we will include them in the next part.
Oh yeah? So, it's me, Adarsh Ekwal. Yeah. Adarsh Ekwal and Tarun signing off from our new podcast. We hope you like it. Click the like button or dislike button. Share it with your friends who don't know some of these things or they don't know tech at all, to your senior citizens. It's a good time to know about these things because it's corona and you are sitting inside. So feel free to watch my older videos because I need a lot of support, man. Yeah. Okay, so don't. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe and stay safe, stay home. Peace.